So here's the very beginning of my journeys, my loose natural fro. As you can see, the shrinkage was real, and I'm 4C, also if you can't tell. This is just a video of my hair blow dried. This was literally like the day that I twisted it up. I just did one last little blowout. I had to see the length, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, my hair was very healthy, or is very healthy, and very long, although now it is so much more shrunken up, you would never know. So this is a video of me actually installing it. I kind of used my camera to try to find or make my parts, I guess you would say. I was doing a little free part type of situation, so it wasn't really that serious. So this is when I just finished installing. This is the result, day one. I was really liking how soft and flowy my hair felt. And let me tell you, I've gotten twists a million times, but this time when I got twists, it was just different because that intention was there. Like, I had put in that intention that I was starting my journey, and I just was really excited. Like, it just felt different than any other time I had twists. Like, I loved it way more. And I also really love my parts. I really didn't want like a clean grid. I still wanted to look clean, but not so, I don't know what you'd call it, straight. Also, just in case anyone was wondering, which I'm pretty sure someone is, I have 114 starter locks, once again self-installed. And yeah, so that's really all I have to say for the rest of this video. I'll go ahead and let this play, and you guys can sit back and relax and enjoy. Here's a quick clip so you can just kind of see what my hair was looking like from the front in terms of like density and thickness. So yeah.